It's finally here. That's right. Let's talk live lobsters shipped to your door. Yesterday, my wife and I were thinking about having our own lobster bake, but we live down here in Florida and we weren't sure what to do. But we found this place online that we were able to order live Maine lobsters yesterday at 12 p.m. And here it is. They were delivered today by 2 p.m. Unreal. And I want to take you guys along for the journey, show you what's in the box, how many lobsters we got, throw them in the cooker, and then show you the end result. So let's go. So now it's time to open up the box and check out these live lobsters. And there you have it, Maine lobster now. 6 lobsters. They were yesterday in Maine, today they're in Florida, and they're going in that next. Can't wait. That is all the lobster meat from just one lobster. I got 6. So just imagine how much meat we were able to get from all these lobsters. Look at the size of the tail. Very meaty, very girthy, and absolutely delicious all the way through. These knuckles, huge. They came out not the greatest, but still, you get the idea. I am completely blown away about the quality of these lobsters, and I think you will be too. Go out on your next lobster bake and order a set of these lobsters and enjoy a delicious dinner. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.